Good morning. I'm Ravi Shankar, St. Joseph's College NAINITAL teacher, and today I'll be teaching class 12 agriculture, and the first in the series will be on food crop, and the first will be rice. And later on we'll compare the rice production in China. The rice is one of the most important crop in the tropical area, and it feeds about half the population of India, 1.3 billion people. India is the second largest producer of rice after China. China produces 1/3 of the world's rice. India has 29% of total rice area of the world. And India, since it is an indigenous crop in India, average temperature required is 24 degrees, 16 to 20 at the time of fertilization and flowering. Ripening time 18 to 32 degrees centigrade. And rain, if it is between 150 to 300 centimeters, that is ideal. It can grow between 150 to 200 centimeters also. Where the rainfall is less, irrigation is required. The soil that we require is deep, fertile clay soil. And why clay soil? So that the water should not seep in. We need stagnant water in the low-lying areas where rice is grown. India, in the 1950-51, the yield per hectare was 668 kilos. Now it has gone up to 2,550. 2016-17, the average was 2,550 kilos per hectare. But comparatively, we are still lagging behind. The Korean Democratic Republic, there they produce 6,730 kilograms per hectare. Japan, 6,420 kilos per hectare. And we will just have a look how the Japanese grow rice. They say they do the production very scientifically. The Japanese method of rice production, they get the best quality seed and they have a raised nursery. After the seedlings come up in about a month's time, they, first they till the land and they grow the rice in rows at a distance of 25 centimeters, and each plant distance would be 15 centimeters. They put a lot of manure and a lot of water, of course, is there, and as a result they get the world's best productivity in Japan. In India, basically it is produced in the coastal plains, the riverine deltas, Satluj, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Satluj Ganga plain, it gives about 50% of the rice in our country, and basically because irrigation is also used there. Now in India we have some of the states that grows a lot of rice is West Bengal. In many areas in West Bengal, they grow 3 crops of rice. Then UP, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Of course, there are other states that grow, but these are the main states. If we compare that with China, China produces the largest and they have to cater to a big population in their country. The staple food of South and Central China, heavy pressure on people, and so they have started growing rice in China, even in the hilly slopes, and they have terraced farming there. Areas of rice cultivation, they are the south of the Huanghe Valley. Then in central China, they grow only one crop, and South China, they call it the Zhejiang, Changjiang valleys. And 90% of the areas where China grows rice is basically under irrigation. Thank you.